today, we are going to unbox one of the two new additions of Oppo into their Reno series, which is the Oppo Reno 7 5G. We all know that the Reno series is Oppo's mid-range offering. Mabuhay Manila, this is Jacob, and today we are going to unbox and find out what Oppo Reno 7 5G has to offer. So to begin, let's find out what's inside the box. Sliding out the top cover, we are greeted with a compartment box that houses the SIM ejector pin, manuals, and the translucent jelly case. Underneath that is the device itself. The color palette of this device is quite unique and pleasant to the eye. This color variant is what they call the Star Trails Blue. So let's put this aside. Underneath where the device is a USB Type-C cable and the Super VOOC power brick. So that is pretty much what's inside the box. So let's move on to the device. According to Oppo, this is the first phone to use LDI or laser directing imaging processing that is chiseled with over 1.2 million micro rasters reminiscent of shooting stars. The back finish is quite impressive. It is glossy, but at the same time, you can feel the etch texture. It has a gradient color palette that switches from blue to purple depending on the light source. And due to the etched finish, fingerprint smudges are nowhere to be found. The Oppo Reno 7 5G is not that big. It is quite heavy but slim. And also the way its design was developed, it is pretty much a premium looking device. The volume rockers and the power button are not that hard to reach since the device is not that big. The secondary microphone is on top since everything is pretty much squeezed at the bottom. The USB-C port, microphone, speaker grill, and the 3.5mm headphone jack. Switching to its display, it boasts a 6.4-inch AMOLED display, an FHD+ resolution which is paired with a 90Hz refresh rate. And also, it is protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and a pre-installed screen protector. Going back to the rear, we have the protruded camera module. The way the camera module was set up was quite impressive. Looking at the side, you can see the base of the lenses. Also, the camera module has a different texture than the device itself. The Oppo Reno 7 5G is equipped with a triple camera setup that carries a 64MP main camera, 8MP ultra-wide, and 2MP macro. Here are some sample shots that we took. As for its software, it is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 900 5G paired with Mali G68MC4 GPU. The configuration of our unit is 8GB of RAM alongside with 256GB of storage. It runs on Android 11 slapped with ColorOS 12. All of these features and specs are backed with a 4500 mAh of battery, which is quite small for a mid-range device, but still, it is paired with a 65 watts fast charging. We still don't know its price yet, so stay tuned to our full review as we will deep dive into some of its features. So that is our unboxing video of the Oppo Reno 7 5G. Stay tuned as we will be releasing our full review soon, so click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you will be updated with our future contents. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, this is Jacob and Mabuhay Manila.